All right, guys, let's get down to it and make you some money. My idea for today, OPKO Health. Now, I got to tell you something. I recommended this on Barney and Company. I think it was maybe a year or so ago, maybe a little longer. It pulled back big time. All right, I'm still in it, and it's starting to break out, and that's great. They've got a few things in the pipeline, but it's this hemophilia thing that's got a lot of people excited. What's really interesting is the amazing amount of insider buying, particularly by the CEO of this company. I'm going to tell you, I consider it high risk, but it is on the verge of a massive, major breakout. Could take it another 20, 30% higher from here. They start getting some approvals, and this could be a stock that trades well over 20%. So from a risk reward point of view, I think it's worth it, but I do want to add that caveat in there. Matt, you know this name well, too.
I do know it well. And what I like, they have 5 candidates in phase 3, 2 in phase 2, 3 in preclinical, and they have exposure to equity interest in a bunch of other companies that have products. So it's very diverse. Even though it is a smaller company, it's high risk, you need 1 or 2 of those products to take off, and this stock takes off with it.
What do you think, Hilary?
This was a smaller company, a lot of traders in the know were in it, but now it's getting real institutional support. So there's this hemophilia drug, but it's also this human growth hormone drug where there was this dealing with Pfizer. This is really big. And Dr. Frost, the founder of OPK, this is like a proxy to play this man. He's really the patriarch of biotech.
People love him. Investors love him. Despite the volatility of his name, a lot of people haven't bailed out. In fact, every time it goes down, he does find buyers.
Oh, and look, I think he's done some very smart things. Multiple countries, he taps multiple markets for products. And one of my favorite things I started looking at the company was what Matt highlighted was, they've made so many strategic investments. You want to talk about R&D?
Like an incubator.
It's like an incubator. Yeah. And again, it's only going to take one. So yes, high volatility. But I think I really like what they're doing.
Darren, you're involved. You're in charge of trading at BNP. I'm not sure if this is if it's too big, too small for you or not. But how would you trade a name like this? It's breaking out on huge volume, although the fundamentals aren't necessarily there.
I would start with having a starter position, okay? And maybe that's a quarter of the capital that you want to allocate to the trade. Looking at biotech and healthcare, what we do see historically is coming out of the JP Morgan Healthcare Conference, you do see a run-up in these stocks through February, and then you typically see some softness as kind of the buying momentum runs out.
Buy the rumor, sell the news kind of hype kind of thing?
Yeah, and then it'll kind of fill in a little bit.
Right.
In that fill-in is where I want to see how it trades.
Okay,
and that's where I want to add to the position.
This one has been trading great in that fill-in since then. All right, guys.